Oh, you kill me?
You not kill a shit.
Yeah, you that? How you try to do? When I vomit up, when I just eat?
No, so talking about that some food, me I come looking at food in
You just say enough food.
You just say
You say you really live from so poor. If you come at people in here, if you come eat, you're very workless and then careless, careless. I workless, you're workless, now no use. Boy, I'm a friends for.
Yeah, she know you're going like say you don't like me again, you don't like me.
Why? I still love you, you know, don't get that wrong, but me a bigger fish so they while.
Just give me a good food here.
I don't give you enough food. I don't go in a couple of months with you. How I try to do? Mash up your plan. It's a fool man, yeah, man. Leg off of me. Yeah, boy, leg off of me. So, which food? You mean? No go in there. You want any food, yeah? You like food, yeah? The people in there. Say people, watch you. Which food? You know food in the yard?
No. You know food in the yard, you know listen to me.
A problem you love, you know? You love problem. The man and the woman, they in them house.
So?
What do you mean so? So you want to mash up your plan?
Which plan? Me and you did make no plan.
The plan where we are going to get rich together.
That fear plan. Me did want to make you rich, but me did want richer.
Listen to me, man. Nobody not invite you. Go on home, because you're now going to mash up this here. Let me give you one pack of crackers and you go on. One. That's a workless one. Go on before we get in your body. I don't laugh with you, I have to laugh sometimes, you know. I do not have no food. I don't cook yet.
So you tell me say just now?
Then no one pack of crackers me eat too.
You know say I play hard. I don't know I can't play so hard.
You know what make you be delusional? You see true, you can't come up here again to come ride the woman and walk. And that never bother you.
Suppose me tell you say me never yet touch that woman, me just a jag him. You know, if you understand, you know, sometimes man not give up themselves so easy. We just play woman then, but you see, cause me deal with him so good and he man not treat him, I don't know farmer. We like that. She like it rough. Man too soft. You see? So me did the fear for them the ways because she love it rough.
Oh, see when they get big money, the lobster out because you deal with that rough, but then they're walkie. Come take up your cracker. Where crackers there? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I mix rap like that like yourself. I do. By yourself.
Today.
No boy.
You cooking today?
I'm waiting. You know, send me away for Miss Cookie if you tell me if I cook and what to cook.
Sometimes Cookie don't know what she want to eat, you know.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, I just wipe
Sure.
the floor, yeah. Dry clean the floor. Run, boy, run. Get the phone. Rock band. So you alright? You just pacing about?
I'm alright, man. It's not my pen that I was looking for.
Oh, your pen.
No, this is my pen. Oh, one thing I didn't want to talk to you about. My room kind of hot, so I lie down in my couch a bit. So,
In a couch?
eh?
In which couch? Your veranda couch or
No,
this couch?
inside. So, when me finish, I get up. I just want to wipe them the window because yesterday I checked the window, them and them kind of dusty.
Oh.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. And you can't start cooking, you know. Just put the
What
meat
must
out.
cook?
Eh?
What must I cook, sir?
Probably cabbage and rice.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell are you doing here? Taj, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
I better try find out if me get out of this. Me I try show you.
I was calling you earlier on. You should have checked with me before you came here. My man is out there. What is wrong with you? Taj, it's not the time. This is dangerous, Taj. Listen, I'm gonna figure out a way. Okay? Stay right in here. Oh, God. Tracy, what are you doing now?
I'm
I have
on my
some
free
work
time.
around the guest room that I needed to deal with right
Oh,
now.
no problem.
Alright? So let me show you.
Mistress, everything alright with you?
Oh, yes, everything is okay. I just need some things to get done inside.
Problem, come on. Because we work on with friendship, you know.
Okay.
Come on, yeah. Because we work on with like friendship.
This way.
Miss, you sure say nothing no deal?
Oh, no. Go and do your job.
Alright, my friend.
Taj, it's me.
We said it.
You're right. Yes. I'm figuring it out. One down, one to go. I didn't tell you to come here in the first place. Like you wanna give me you want me to pay. What's your problem? Taj, you're broke again.
You have to make it look simple.
Alright, here one. Me go. You will get the $1,000 for your fear. Oh God. What this look all over myself.
Lord.
Hey babe.
Hey.
You know, I was thinking. You remember that thing you suggested
What thing?
the other day?
What thing?
That thing
What?
about us.
Kids? Having
Doing-
kids?
Yeah. Like, why are you even reading this by yourself though?
Because I'm preparing myself as a father before I'm a father
We should be reading this together.
together.
Why
So, what's got into you?
Babe, why don't we start making our family? You've always wanted a son.
Something going on?
No,
Yes.
I'm just feeling in
Something
good
going
mood
on.
today.
You're in the mood today.
Yeah.
So we go raw dog today. What about now?
Yeah, but just I'm feeling good in the moment, baby. Let's just.
So let's go right out now. No? My goodness. You ready?
We can go later on, baby.
No, my later.
Babe.
Why not now? So why you turn me on now and then we are going to do it later? Why not now? We're stopping us.
Later also.
Later?
Yeah.
And now I'm talking about no.
Babe.
No or never. I'm just kidding, but no. No? No.
Later on, babe.
Sure.
Okay.
Leave me, let me read my book. Because you're not ready. I don't know why you even come here. You're up to something. What you up to? What you want?
A family with you.
So you just randomly just
I've been thinking about it for a while.
all of a sudden
Yeah.
you're going to get me some dragon
Yeah.
and spit some fire tonight.
Yeah.
Me and you, like Bonnie and Clive.
Yeah.
Fichu. So fichu. My bunny.